Hello guys, this is Vamsi Krishna. It has been a very long time that I am making videos and now I am back making videos. So in this video I am going to demonstrate how to connect your database to your application. Many of computer science students or even software developers face a problem while interconnecting the SQL database with their application, and now I am going to resolve all these issues and I will demonstrate you step by step. I will show you the detailed steps that are required for connecting SQL Server with your application so that you can access your database and can see your database in your application. In some projects we need to see the database what we stored in our server, so it helps in many applications. So I'm going to demonstrate right now or in my channel on my YouTube channel. I'm firing my Visual Studio. I have already built this application for the demonstration purpose and I am going to fire it out. So yes, I am going to fire it out. In few minutes it will open and let us see the, the development. So this is the source code what I have written for this application and I am now debugging this code, and let us see how the code will be. It has started the process of debugging. As soon as the debugging it's produced. So this is the framework I have developed and I have embedded database in this data graph. Let us click and see what happens if we click on this click button. Just so boom, as soon as I click over here, the database that I have stored in my database has retrieved, that is SQL Server. Do you think this is possible, or did I do some magic? No, I have didn't do any magic. I have just created my database or in my Microsoft Server Management Studio, and I will show you the database over here. Expand your database. Under this database you will find a salary database that I have created. If you expand this salary database, under this salary database there will be tables. If we expand these tables, there will be VEDIO.tb1 that I have created this table database, and I have sent this table database to my application. Let us see whether I have done really or not. Just click on this application. As soon as click on my application and click on edit 200 rows. So wait for some time. So this is the same database that I have created. Let us compare this whether I am saying the truth or not. So one Vamshi, and Vamshi is getting some salary. Two is Krishna getting salary. So these are all the candidates. These are all the serial numbers. These are all the names, and these are all the salaries that candidates are getting. So let us modify this. So let us modify it and see whether it works or not. So I'm just so I'm just going to this. So I'm going to add 11th column with name, Guntur, and some amount. So control S for save, and let us see whether these changes are being affected in our database or in our application or not. Fire out, and I'm starting debugging this my program code. So click, boom, there it goes. You can see 11th candidate is Guntur, and our application has updated according to the database. Congrats, you have successfully designed an application and have connected your application to your database. I will show this demonstration from scratch. I will develop this application from scratch so that viewers can easily know what I am doing. So close that. So I am going to close my Visual Studio. I am going to open open my Microsoft SQL Studio. So I'm going to create a new database. So I'm expanding my database. So I'm going in database and click, and I'm going to create a new database. So I've just clicked create a new database. I'm giving this database name as VAMSI Vamsi for easy accessing, and I'm just going to click OK. So I have created a new database named Vamsi. Let us see. This is the database that I have created. Now I'm going to click expand this in tables. I'm going to create a new table. So create a new table. So create a new table. I'm going to give serial number, and the data type is nvarchar. Okay, let us modify this to nvarchar to int. Allow nulls, just unclick it is allow nulls. So next, name, so nvarchar, okay, nvarchar and nvarchar of 50, and I'm going to store a email address. So I'm entering email, same nvarchar and varchar of 50. So uncheck the allow nulls. So I have successfully, so I am going to save this. Left click on it and click save table, and give the table name is tb2 and save this. So I have created 3 columns and I have assigned the data types to it. So check out whether my database table has been created or not. Expand Vamsi. In Vamsi, if you will expand these tables, you will find over here the table that I have created. So now I am editing it to 200 rows. So column 1, name is some Vamsi. My email address is some my.vamsi @ something. So second person, some Rahul. So Rahul email address is something rahul @ something. So now I'm going to retrieve this information in my application, and I will show you how to do that. So I'm going back and I'm opening my Visual Studio. I have downloaded this new community edition of 2015. So I'm going to file, new project. I'm selecting the new project. I'm selecting Windows application form, and I am renaming this as SQL, and I am renaming this as SQL2 data grid, SQL2 data grid, and I am just clicking on OK. So it will take some time to load our features so that we can build easily what we design. So this is the form through which I will create an interface right over here. So just expand this interface. This is called form. So I am going to toolbar and search for data grid. I'm searching for data grid view. I'm just clicking and dragging this, and I am dragging it onto my box, and I am just expanding it out a little bit. And now I want a button to access my data, so I'm going to data toolbar, and I want button, so I am just dragging and dropping the button. So this is the button, and now I'm going to change the context of this button a bit. So if you go over here, you name is button one, and you can know the properties from here. So I want to change the text on the button to something else, so that I can easily. So over here, so I am removing this and I am giving it a name click. So click, and I'm giving enter. So as soon as I give enter, okay, I'm quickly diving into the coding part, so that this video takes too long. So I'm just quickly going into the coding part. Double click on click, and now let us start coding over here. So this is the coding that we have to develop, and now I have to interface this button with this diagram, so that I can I can establish a link between this click button and my application. So I'm just quickly diving into topic. So first is that I have to import my server into my application. So I have to integrate this by using a connection. So using system dot data dot SQL client. So this is the command that we use to access the database. So what is the command? Using system dot data dot. So that is the command. That means we are calling these are called namespaces. These namespaces are nothing but libraries. These libraries contains all the available classes methods, so that we can access these classes and methods in our application for development process. I will tell you an example. We use slash include sto.hnc. Similarly, for development of .NET framework apps, we use using system.data.sql client for connecting our application with the server. So just quickly dive into the coding part, so that it will be very easy for us to understand. So the primary thing that we have that we want to do is we have just asked for all the available libraries for SQL query. So we have to establish a new object, so that we can connect. So SQL object, we have to create SQL connection object. So I'm going to create SQL connection object as SQL connection. So I'm naming it as con equals to new SQL connection. So I have created a new object of SQL connection. Now I have to connect my SQL connection cuno dot connection string. Unn is connection string equals to double quotes semicolon and ampersand. So we have to write the connection over here. Before writing, we want to establish the connection. So quickly dive into this. So quickly dive into Visual Studio. So click on Server Explorer. So click over here, connect to database. So connect to the database. I am giving server name. Windows authentication server name. Okay, this is my server name, and this is my server name, and now I am entering the database state name, that is nothing but 1C. So I am just testing whether it exists. So test has been conducted, successfully done. That means the database is available, so that I can use the database in my application. So I'm just clicking OK. Click. Yeah, database has been integrated successfully. Okay, just toggle this, hide this. Okay, if you want this, okay, just expand this, and this expand this tables. Okay. Once you see, this is my database. Go here again and go to properties, and in this properties control string, press Ctrl A and press Ctrl C for copying everything. So come here and press Ctrl V to paste. Okay, that means you have successfully so it does not show any error. That means you have successfully installed the server onto your connection. Now I want to open the server connection. So just go to next line, con connection dot. I'm going to open this server connection. So open. I have opened this server connection successfully, and now I want to install the drivers SQL data adapter SDA equals to new SQL data adapter. So this is the new SQL data adapter. In this SQL data adapter, it takes one parameter. So this SQL parameter is select star from where we are taking this data. Select star from TB2. Select star from TB2, comma COL with the connection. So no errors. That means you are successfully so from here select star TB2, you will get the data, and this data will be stored in SDA. So from this SDA you have to load it into tables, data table. So I have to create a new data table, data table dt equals to new data table. So I have created a new data table, and now I have to integrate this with my application. So SDA dot fill, I have to fill this with the data that I got from the above, that is DT. And now I have to present this data on my data grid view. So data grid view. So data grid view 1 dot data source, data grid view 1 dot data source equals to dt. That means, so this is the code. So I will explain this code. First I am establishing the connection between my application form and my SQL client by using system.data.sql client. This SQL client query consists of many small classes like connection string, SQL connection, SQL adapter. All these are small classes in using system.data.base. I have created a connection in object SQL connection con equal to new connection object. After this connection object, I have created this connection object on the name of this con. This con is having a connection string. I have copied the connection string and I have illustrated as in a few steps back, and I have copied from here and I have pasted it over here. Next, I am saying to open my connection, so I want connection to be open. This connection has been opened. Now we have to retrieve the data from my table, so I am using SQL data adapter to retrieve the data. Select star from tv2. By using this query we can get all the data from the table and it will be sent to SDA. So SDA now contains all the data, but we have to represent it on our data. So I am using data table dt equals to new data table. So I have created new data table SDA dot fill dt. So SDA will fill this data table, and this data table will be an integral part of datagram dot data source. So this is all the code that we have written. So now just debug this code and see whether it works or not. So let us wait whether our program is running correctly or not. Success. So just click here. Yeah, successfully. See that? Did you see Vamsi Krishna? So open your database. Let us analyze this both so that you can know that that we have successfully integrated our application with our database. So just drag it over here. So just you can see over here the contents. 1 is Vamsi, 2 is my email address, 2 is Rahul. So I'm just changing my database. And 3 am I going to give Ravi, and I'm going to change this something blah 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 at the right Gmail. So I'm just clicking on controller, so it has been saved. Let us see whether my application displays or not. So I'm just clicking on off and just running again. Just click on click. So we have successfully integrated our database. So we have successfully integrated our database with our application. See over here, Ravi is also available. So in this way we program. In this way we program using C#. C# has been developed by Microsoft, and it has been a popular programming language when it comes with the .NET framework. Thank you guys. Hope you all enjoyed my videos. You can come on to my YouTube channel. You can comment on my YouTube channel. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Just come to my channel, see my videos, and if you like, please subscribe my channel. Just opening my videos. So this is my channel, Computer Software Point. Please come to my channel. So this is my channel guys. You can come on to my channel and have a lot of fun. In my channel I'm uploading more and more videos, and I want to help students in their projects also. If you have any doubts, you can comment below the comment section so that I can reply to your queries very well. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. It has been a great support to me. I will make more and more educational videos to help students as well as developers. I have also my official site vamsikrishna007.tk. You can come onto my site, you can fill your details, and you can post a message to me. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you.